had a little bit of a binge. That's what this video is about. Just showing you what to do after a binge. Very, 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 very simple. So one thing we're gonna do, we're gonna eat the same thing every day, besides dinner.
Hell yeah, man. Congratulations.
In my own lane, we can't merge.
I'm such a lucky boy.
You just get back on the wagon. You don't change anything. Work out, eat what you're supposed to eat, hit your macros, hit your numbers, whatever. However you're losing weight, when you fall off the wagon, you just get back on it. That's it.